Hi everyone, Rick here from Workshop Solutions, and I'm here to introduce you to our double bucket wash method kit. First of all, start out with the double bucket dolly. Includes one of those. It includes two 5-gallon buckets, standard base being 10 1/4 inch. Comes with two of the famous Gamma Seal lids, two of the dirt droppers, two of the hydrolocks, 6 of the spray bottles. Now the features on this double bucket dolly is, first of all, it is molded in a one-piece unit. Has two large trays, one on each side, great for accommodating up to 3 of the spray bottles per side, or you can use your microfiber mitts, your sponges, whatever you use, place them on the inside. Now, we use a dirt dropper. The dirt dropper is nice from the standpoint that it allows you bi-directional movement with long handles, which will help remove particulates from your brush, sponge, and mitts. But what's different about this is that we have a hydrolock. Hydrolock is a foam pad that has open cells. Gravity will take the particulates, pull them into the sponge, and actually hold them in place, reducing the risk of pulling the particulates up to damage your vehicle. Now, the only inconvenience that I hate to say about it is that we do have to secure this in a bucket. Our mission is to help protect your car. Eventually, every now and then, you will have to take a screw out to remove the larger particulates. But in most cases, all you need to do, take the bucket, turn it upside down, spray it out, and gravity will take over again. Now, this is really nice from the standpoint that we have two keyhole features in the center of this for spray bottles, oval shape in nature, and or it can be used for a soda can. The double bucket dolly does not have to use a plate or any straps to connect two of them. There again, it is one total unit by itself. It does have 6 swivel casters, one of them with a good locking brake. I hope that you enjoyed this, and please look for us on bucketaccessories.com. Thank you and have a great day.